What's up, friends? In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your handle on YouTube. So you want to go ahead and access your YouTube studio. So this is the first thing that you have to do. I'm sure that if you're thinking about accessing your handle, then it simply means that you most likely have a YouTube studio. But I'm just going to go over this just to not take it for granted. You need to head over to youtube.com. That's the first thing. And of course, you click your account on the upper right and you can click on YouTube Studio, right? Once you do that, it's going to take you into the YouTube studio, as you can see. Now, in order to change your handle, you want to look on the left hand side and you'll find customize. You click on that. Now it's going to show you from here where you have, for example, some information about your channel, the banner, and so forth. And if you scroll down, here is where it shows your current channel name, and here is a channel handle. And all you have to do is just change this, remove it, type whatever else you want, and you can type whatever and you will see if it's available. If it's not, you will just continue, write something else until it's available. And so once you type that in, you click on publish and you have a new handle. And so this is how you can easily change your handle on YouTube. Very easy and very simple, guys.